Okay, there you go. Can we see it?
Yes.
Okay, so let us try to read it again. Okay, so
The star, the and measures.
we are going to do, here it says 47 to 66. Okay, maybe let's start with 46, not 47. All right, can you see it? Yes? Okay, Casper, go. About
what?
My friend Casper, you said you found a great sign in the sky.
Melcher? Yes. Okay, so it's like this. So the story, okay, you know the story. Listen to Miss Terry. So they saw a star in the sky, remember? So Casper said, about what? Like that, right? Or something. And then Melcher, so Aika, Melcher, you have to say yes, but you have to look happy and excited. So you have to say yes. Like that. Can we do it? Okay, again, Casper, about what?
About what?
My friend Casper, you said you found a great sign in the sky.
Yes, yay.
Very good. Balthazar?
I must ask again. Are you quite sure?
I must repeat. Yes, I am. I put the sign in the sky.
さあ、バーサザー役の、タイガも、キャスパー役のミサキも、この単語の発音がちょっと曖昧になってますね。ちょっと勉強してみましょう。found ミサキはフンドって言っちゃってるし、タイガはそのまんまやはりお兄ちゃんだね。ローマ字がチャキチャキと読めるのでフォンドって言ってしまってますね。これありがちです。日本の子供たちはどうしてもこの found って発音できないんだね。実はこれはめちゃくちゃクリアなあいうえおのあです。found で、これは find っていう見つけるという動詞の過去形です。found find found
The star of the king. Look.
The star of the king. Look. The star of the king. The star of the king. でじゃないよ。
Look, okay, so Melcher, this, you don't have to speak, you just have to act, okay? It says look into the telescope. Aika, can you say telescope? Okay, do we know what a telescope is? Okay, Miss Terry will show you. This is a telescope. Ta-da! Okay, here, a telescope. Okay? Yeah, so on the script, it says, look into the telescope. So you don't have to say anything, but you just have to. Okay? Very good. Look into the telescope, being astonished. Okay? Can we say the word astonished? Astonished. Okay.
Repeat after me. Astonish. 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 Astonished. Astonished.
So what does astonished mean? Ta-da! Like surprise. Can we do it? Okay, so after you hear Casper say this, you should do like okay, but you don't have to say anything, okay? And then Balthazar, 59. Balthazar, what?
did you see?
Okay, and look into the telescope.
You are holding it upside down.
Yeah, so do
Oh,
you remember
that's really
again this word? Wait, everyone, this word say upside down.
Upside down.
Yeah, so when you say upside down, it's upside down. For example, Miss Terry will show you an example. This is a book, right? You read it. And when we say upside down, it's like this, upside down. Okay? So taran, and then upside down.
Upside down.
Yeah, so you understand? So Melcher look into the telescope. Balthazar look into the but Balthazar see, I can see nothing. And then Casper said, oh, because your telescope is upside down. Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, so Balthazar 61. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
excuse me.
excuse me. And
Yes.
then look into the telescope again.
Excuse me.
Yeah, and then get frozen. Good. Casper? 60.
You saw it.
Mm-hmm. Balthazar, nod. Okay, everyone say nod.
No.
No.
Yeah, but you don't have to say it, right? Nod is like this. Mm-mm. Good. Casper?
You saw the sign, the shining star.
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 Very good. Balthazar?
What does it mean?
はい、この What does it mean というのは口の筋肉が固まる前に口とか頬の筋肉にしっかり覚え込ませたい表現なのでちょっと練習してみましょう。美咲ちゃんすごく上手ですね。本当に彼女は、ビニンセンが実際にバーチャルじゃなくってリアルでレッスンしていた時からミュージカルを一緒にしてきているので演技力も抜群ですしセリフもすごく聞き取りやすいですね。もう一頑張りしてみましょう。今美咲ちゃんは What does it mean っていう風に一言一言を切って発音してしまっているので演劇の授業ではこれをくっつけて口を鳴らしていきます。What does it mean? What does it mean? まず一つ does と it の間をくっつけてしまいます。does it? does it? そして what does it mean? What does it mean? t what does it mean? イギリス人はこういうふうに強く t を発音する時がありますけれども今のイギリス人でもここまで What does it mean? というふうに発音する人は少ないです。なので What って言って下と上の顎の上の方だねがこうくっついたらもうそれで十分です。What? What? What? っていうふうに発音する必要はありません。What does it mean? What does it mean? 練習してみましょう。
It means.
Okay, Melcher, the king is born.
The king is born.
愛花ちゃんすごく声が出てて素晴らしいです。で、ただこの is the king is born の is の図をあまり大きく発音してしまうとこう聞こえます。The king is born. The king is born. これを いわゆるねジャパニーズ・イングリッシュって言うんだね。今ねネオジャパニーズ・イングリッシュって言ってちょっと英語の発音をアメリカっぽくこう意識しすぎて発音してしまう子もたくさんいるんだけれどもこれは元祖ジャパニーズ・イングリッシュになってしまうね。The king is born っていうやつでね。さあこの z っていう S の is の S の音をできるだけ小さく z こういうふうに発音してみましょう。The king is born. The king is born.
Yeah, but you have to say it in like a very like a happy, excited way, right? The king is born.
The king is born.
It's Aika, right? Aika, go. The king?
The king is born.
Yay! Very good. Okay, so let's try to do it one straight time, all of us together with all the actions. And then after this, you guys are already very good. After this, we will just practice the pronunciation, the way we say it, okay? Like we say star instead of store. Okay, so let's practice. Can we do it? Okay, ready? Okay, Aika, Taiga, and Misaki, ready?
Yes. About what?
Oh, my friend Casper, you said you found a great sign in.
Yes. Yes. Yay.
Okay, I must ask again. Are you quite sure?
I must repeat. Yes, I am.
Are you quite sure?
I
Casper?
must repeat. Yes, I am. I found the sign in the sky, the star of the king. Look.
Good. Okay, Balthazar. Okay, what did you see? I can't see anything. Casper?
You are holding it upside down.
Good. Balthazar? Oh, I'll do Balthazar, okay? Oh, excuse me. Casper?
You saw it.
Hmm.
You saw the sign, the shining star. What does it mean?
It means
The king is strong.
okay, very good, right? So, you guys are very good. Just Aika, remember this part. If you see something inside the brackets like this, you don't have to say it. You just have to act it out, okay? So maybe this part so that it'll be easier for you. So you cannot read it. I'll change it to this color, okay? So you don't have to read, you just have to tun 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 tun. Okay? Okay, very good. So, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so because Taiga is back. Taiga, are you back?
Yes, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Where's that word? Star. Ah, ah, ah. Okay.
Star.
Not ah. So star. Yeah, but you don't have to make it long. Star. Just short, but okay. Say star.
Star.
Okay, very good. Taiga, can you say star?
Star.
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 Aika, can we do star?
Star.
Uh-huh. Misaki?
Star.
Star. Okay, very good. So
About what?
Oh, my friend Casper, you said you found a great sign in the sky.
Yes, yay.
I must ask again. Are you quite sure?
I must repeat. Yes, I am. I found the sign in the sky, the star of the king. Look.
What did you see? I can't see anything.
You are holding it upside down.
Oh, excuse me.
You saw it. You saw the sign, the shining star. What does it mean?
It means
The game is done.
Yay! Very good. And